Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I went to the gas station to fill the gas cans, which you can see sitting here. All of them are empty now except for that 5-gallon, old 5-gallon one back there with a black spout on it. On my way home, I noticed that Richland was having its poor man's flea market day. So I got all kinds of stuff. Got a Coleman lantern, 12-volt fluorescent, kind of nice. I also got a pool filter and a fish tape, two front tires and rims, set of extension cords, and a bunch of scrap iron, which is not too bad. One of the cool things that I got was this Tonka dump truck. Now my grandsons love Tonka trucks. So I'm going to wash this thing up, get ready to go up to their house and add to their collection. Because I got them one prior to this one. And Malachi was young enough and small enough that he would sit on it and push it around with his feet. They're tough. So it's quite the collection of stuff. There's a lot more to be done because it's usually collected over this week and then it goes. Oh, I got a basketball net and several boxes of nails too. It's always fun doing Poor Man's Flea Market Day. I'm just getting started. There's usually tons of things out. Several houses put out one batch and then another batch when that one's gone. So I kind of like it. Well, that's what I got this time. And the Poor Man's Flea Market turns out to be a pretty good thing for everybody concerned. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.